Well, we're into March now, back in the shop. Got the Trans Am now on the rotisserie. Decided I'm gonna flip it over and do it properly underneath there. Currently ripping apart the subframe. Just cracking the ball joints off. Proper way to do it is use one of these hammers. Make sure it's a construction hammer. Don't let anyone tell you anything else. That's what we're going to work on right now. Got my little nuts loosened off. That doesn't seem to be working too good. Ah, there it is. Right on. Well, that was easier than I thought. Things are pretty worn out here. But we still got the rock. This is, they put that in there for the alignment. That's still in there. I might keep the shims for when I rebuild it. Looks pretty good. I'll take the A-arms off and then I'll do something else. Don't you hate that? Whoa! Yep. You know, you do it backwards, you take the wrong bolts off first. Yeah. Yep. Here's a little secret for you. When the bolt's in a tight spot, you can't fit a hammer in there. You do this. You know, I'd like to videotape this stuff, but you're just gonna have to use your imagination. As you can see, I had to flip it upside down to get to the underbelly. Oh, 2 out of 2. Yeah, the key to getting these out is hitting them with one of these. Works good. Here's a shop trick for you. The best sweeping technique. Just keep going like this. Works pretty good. Oh, look at that. Isn't that nice? Just completely stripped. Wasn't too bad. You gotta be a bit of a circus act to get the get to the back of the motor mount bolts, but get this stuff all sandblasted and do something. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'll do it. Now the next project will be to tear into this beautiful 1981 all original interior. It's in good shape. This is exactly how I found it. Even the back seat. Check it out. No stains. Pretty rare to find a car like that. Tricky with these LS swaps is going to be gauges. I'd like to keep the original ones, but it's going to cost me a fortune. Doodad box to make the speedometer work and another gizmo to make the tach work. I think I'm going to have to upgrade. You know, the motor ran good when I got it. They should have came with one of these gauges from the start. Once it got up to this number here, it sounded like someone was ringing a dinner bell. So, the motor probably wasn't going to last long. But anyways, if anyone in northern Alberta is looking for a good working set of gauges, you can have these.